get out in a minute. She's been outside playing today. She didn't know I'm watching her. Mommy's nursing her babies. Mommy gets after her, so Deborah Doe Mommy gets after her. You're going to be a toot, Emily. You're going to be a toot. What? You know you are. Emily, come here. Come here, Emmy. Yeah, she's a good girl.